Hey guys, this is Barry with Fire and Ice Outdoors. And I want to show you two tools that we keep in our truck that honestly, I don't think I could live without. I've used it so many times. I'm sorry it has been raining and it's just humid. But yeah, I want to show you Wolf Box, these two tools here. Let's go inside and we'll open them up and get out of the humidity. All right. Yeah. Honestly, I don't want to be in my truck without these two things. I've used these more than almost anything that I've have. And I want to show you, these aren't that expensive either, which is pretty crazy. But this is a 4,000 watt jump start. It literally jump starts your, I never took that off. You got one side, let's pull this off, come on. So one side is actually a battery bank. This will charge your phones or whatever you want. It has, let's turn this thing on. Shows you how much power it has. You got a flashlight, which SOS. And the other side, you plug in, it's one way. And now you can charge your vehicle and you hit this boost button and it will boost it, put all the power to it. I'm gonna take this off for just a second. But dude, I have two people that have been stranded while I've been filming. I just jumped out. They had their jumper cables out just looking for somebody. I was like, I don't need it. I'm gonna try this. It started both of those. Doing overlanding, if you run, like I would be in the woods for 4 or 5 days. If you run anything through the truck and don't start it, it's gonna kill your battery. The beach overlanding, I used this at the end. I fired it up because I was using the high boost for the cell phone through the truck. I didn't know that it would pull that much power, but for 4 days, I guess it drained it. Well guys, I'm not sure what's going on. Come with me, check this out. I don't know what. I have no idea what has drained my battery. I don't have anything on. All of my stuff was all solar, but it's not, I don't know what's going on there. It's completely dead. I was gonna turn the car on for a crystal, so, cause it is just hot, dude. And I can't get it to start. I don't know. Well, I gotta show you something. The company sent this to me. I'm not even finished packing up. But Wolf Box, that's their air compressor and their jumper. I've already used this one time. We were doing groceries and there was a guy that needed a jump. And he just had his, you know, this right here, and he actually had his own jumper cables. But I was like, I don't think I need them. I want to try this. And sure enough, it fired it up for him. I've done this once already. Here it is. All right, and you just turn it on. Let's see. Boom. It says start. Would you mind starting it for me? Nice. I have no idea why I did that. I'm gonna have to get that. I know I'm blown out with the sun. I'm gonna have to get that figured out. Once we get this thing off to the back to the house, we'll run
take it to the shop and just kind of find out what's wrong with the battery. But a Fox box, dude, we're in the middle. Look at this. There's nobody here. We would have been in trouble. So, thank you, Fox box, for getting it started. We would have freaking been in. Would have been in a little bit of trouble.
This is a must-have, man. Get one of these and put it on your where you keep your tire, just somewhere where it's easy to get to. This I like that it packs down flat, but this is a little bit of a pain. Wish it was a little bit bigger, but it fits. But yeah, it'll charge your cell phone. It'll jump your car. It's just insane. The other thing is this monster right here. This will fill up your tires. I've got to tell you, and it comes with a manual charger and everything else. It actually will charge your cell phone as well, I believe. The USB on the bottom. You have to pay to get air at gas stations, which is stupid. Not everywhere is free. And have one of these to put air in your vehicle. Right now we're getting into the winter time. This video is going to be up forever, but right now we're in November, and from hot to cold, a lot of tires will just go a little bit flatter. Having one of these, just screw this on. This thing is freaking a beast. You just screw this on to the top. It's got a flashlight on the top of it as well. Charge your cell phone. Dude, this thing is freaking a beast. Boom. And then on the very top, it shows like bicycle, this thing is even motorcycle, so on and so forth. I need to charge this before I put it back. I need to charge both of them actually. Once these are charged, they hold, but I've been using them. But yeah, Wolf Box, dude, I really like both of these. I'm gonna go put these on the charger before I put them in the truck. But if you'd like one of these, I'll put it in the description below. But anything that I feel could be helpful for you, I want to give you a review if this would be something you would be interested in. I don't work on affiliate marketing or anything like that. If you want a discount, you can reach out to them. They just, I work on a bias thing. This is big and heavy. This is 100% awesome. I don't see why anybody would not want one of those in their vehicle. I'd like to get more for the other vehicles I have. Amazing. But yeah, appreciate you guys. If you'd like to see more videos like that, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and man, I'll see you next time. I really appreciate y'all. Thanks, guys.